Hello YouTube. Last year I came to you and I asked you what you think were the funniest and weirdest Zimbabwean names, and this is what you came up with. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and if you know any other funny names, please put them in the comments down below. Have fun, love you guys, and thanks for your support. Good morning class. I'm going to be calling your names. If you hear your name, just shout present, okay? Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nyikadzino Chiwenga. Prison. See me after class. Dambudzo Mnangagwa.
Who is Mnangagwa on this earth? Who is he?
President Pakura munhu washoko anowanda. Pakura munhu washoko anowanda. How do you shorten your name? Paku. Paku. Okay, Paku. Chema Tsenga Nzungu Mushishi.
Present.
Chema Tsenga Nzungu Mushishi Nabwe. Hey, how do you shorten this one? Chemas. Chemas. Okay, Shumba yaunda chandengenda. Shumba yaunda chandengenda.
Pregnant.
Mandere.
Present.
Muchineripi.
Present.
Mashi. Mashi.
Your mashi kudaidzwa kwe.
Where is Mashi? Mashi repeat. Present. Come on, don't waste our time, man. Don't waste our time.
Sorry, sir.
Mandita wepi gurushushu. Mandita wepi gurushushu. Some of you I know you, most of you I don't know you. So when I call your name, please respond. Stop wasting our time.
Yes, sir.
Usoro we gomo mkosi.
Present.
Right? I don't want Jinsinam Soro. Anditika. So let's go. Right. Chop chop. When you hear your name, chop chop, answer. Anditika. We've got so many. This class, you are 60 of you here. Anditi. Let's not waste time. Right. Love more.
Present.
Search more.
Present.
Third more.
Present.
Add more.
Present.
Talk more.
Present.
Learn more.
Present.
Bless more.
Present.
Give more.
Present.
More grace.
No pain.
More blessing.
Present.
Try more.
Present.
Tell more.
Present. Present.
More precision, Muzadzi. More precision. Are you new?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Muchadura gono.
Yeah.
Hard life mkono weshuro.
Yes.
Chenamo chimtengwende.
Yes, sir.
Basopu chandafira.
Present.
Mata. Mata. Where's Mata? Where's Mata?
Mata urikudaidzwa kwe. Ta present.
Matambudziko. Present. Come on, man. Don't waste our time. Tell me.
Present.
Punishment. Eventual.
Present.
Even though.
Present.
No way.
Present.
No rest.
Present.
Challenge. Mazadzi.
Present, sir.
Maybe.
Present.
God knows.
Present.
Catastrophe.
Present.
Jealous. Muchabai wakatsonga.
Present.
Doesn't matter. Never mind.
Present.
Right.
hanzi headboard na gearbox adonoroanaka kumagamti.
Right, noise. Hey, bioscope, noise. Shh. Right, future Gumbo Panze.
Present.
Polite Mbizi.
Present.
Munukwaye.
Present, sir.
Courage Gwenzi.
Present.
Privilege.
Present.
Zidzo Mari Mukosi.
I am present, sir.
Jokonia.
Present.
Chiriseri.
Ndakagonyera pano se.
Ember Light Chapera.
Present.
Said Paul Shoko.
Present.
Only believe Gumbo.
Present.
Shekai Namberi Kwashu.
Present.
Kane.
Present.
Kane Diani.
Tiri kuno kumashure kuno.
Nimrod.
Present.
Redemption.
Present.
Zvakanyorwa nzira dzemuka.
Present.
Keresensia.
Present.
Kiss note.
One kiss is all it takes.
Is this correct?
What do you mean? That's my name, sir.
Oh. Ambi. Present. Ambivalence. Ha. Stop wasting our time. Big change.
Present.
Wise men. Drunky Mamvura.
Present.
Lizzie. Lizarkope. Where is Lizzie? Lizard.
Oh,
Wake
present.
up, man, Lizard. Stop wasting our time. Cabinet. Psychology.
Present.
Monster.
Present.
Decibel.
Present.
Have a look, Dube. Have a look, Dube. Immigration.
Present. Pano, sir.
Hazvina kwazvo.
Present.
Working. Where is working? Workers' day.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
Nothing,
Stop
sir.
being silly. Earthquake.
Present.
Budget.
Present.
Warship Dumba.
Present.
Submarine.
Present.
Symbolize. Headboard.
Present.
Head boy.
Present.
January. Church member. Church member arikupi?
And our dress.
And our toilet. Okay. Immigration ndaundaidza church member ka. Kurumidza. Kune varungu patani. Kune varungu. Arikupi kune?
Ndiri pano,
Right.
sir.
Weekend coffee.
Present.
Apanyengwi.
Present.
Forget. Alright, now let's go into our lesson. Constantino, Guvia, see me after the lesson, please.